can build a network with 3 VLANs, how you can set up voice for VoIP for voice, how you can configure the mail addresses, how you can configure the servers. So let's start at first. We need one router, 2811 is the best router which one can get. Switch, 5 switches. So this to be main switch. Yeah. And another 4 for each VLAN. So 5 switches. Now let's take 3 servers. Six IP phones. And 6 PCs. Please guys, like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comment, if you need to see different, just tell me what you want to see, how you can configure it. Maybe you want 4 VLANs, maybe you want 2 VLANs, so whatever you want, you can leave a comment under the video and I will come back with another video for tutorial. Okay, so we're going to start to connect them from the router to switch, main switch. Yeah. From main switch to server switch. Yes. Let's connect the phones to switch, and from phone to end devices PC. Let's put some colors on this. Really nice. And we still have servers. Going to separate them by color because it will be more easier. So let's start with red for server. So red for server. Yellow for first VLAN. Blue for second one. You can do any color you want, if you want to do it, but I'm doing like this because it's more easier to make the difference between VLANs and you don't get stuck somewhere. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna do for voice as well, wrong color, because voice could be on different VLAN. Let's put them pink. Part of it. I'm gonna name them. So this one to be VLAN 10. Name servers. Yes. IP 1.2.168.1.0. Next one to be VLAN 20. Main production. IP address 192.168.1.0. Next is going to be VLAN 30. Name sales. You can name them how you want. It's up to you. IP address 192.168.3.0. This one to be VLAN 40. Name the same management. IP address 192.168.4.0, and here it will be VLAN 100. Main voice. IP address 172.16.1.0. So for voice, I'm going to use a different IP address because it's more easier to configure it. You don't mess up everything. So this one is for servers, yeah. This one is for VoiP. Let's plug the power for the phones. Click on the phone, drag this cable here. If you don't plug in the power, you will have the phone are not going to be connected and you cannot make the connection between switch and devices. Okay. So after how you can see now the interfaces turn green. Now let's start to configure the main switch. At first, in the main switch, we have to build the VLANs, which one is going through main switch, yeah? So all the VLANs we have to configure in the main switch, and to put all the interfaces, which one is going in main switch, to put them on mode trunk. So interface FA01 till interface FA05. Okay. Click on the switch, CLI, enter English config terminal, let's start VLAN 10, name, servers, yeah, so VLAN 10 servers, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, I'll drag this here, VLAN 40 and VLAN 100, VLAN 20, name production, VLAN 30, name sales, VLAN 40, name management, and VLAN 100, name voice. Exit. Let's make the interfaces. So I'm gonna do interface range FA0/1 to 5 switch port mode trunk. So how you can see now they change and they will move on mode trunk. Now let's say how many VLANs can go through this switch. Yeah, so we will have switch port trunk allow VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40 and 100. Yeah, we're going to copy this line, and because we have 5 VLANs, yeah, 5 VLANs in total, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 40, 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 100, we have to write 5 lane. Yeah, so copy, paste, enter. Yeah, so let's exit and do right. So we finish with the main switch. Let's start configure the VLAN switches. So let's start with this one. CLI, enter English config terminal. We created first the VLAN. Yeah, we have only one VLAN on this switch, VLAN 10, name server, exit, and we have to put the interfaces. Yeah, so these 3 interfaces on access mode. Yeah, so say interface range FA from 2 to 4. Yeah, 0/2 to 4 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN change. Yeah, exit, do right. Okay, so second switch as well, CLI, enter, English, terminal, and that's it. We have to build the VLANs first. VLAN 20, name production. So, and here we have VLAN 100 for voice. Yeah. So VLAN 100, name, voice. Let's see. And now we have to configure these interfaces in mod access. So interface range fa0/2 to 3, switch port mod access, switch port access VLAN 20. Yeah, so from this switch we need just VLAN 20 and VLAN 100, and here switch port voice VLAN 100. Yeah, let's see, do right. So now next two switches we configured them the same. Yeah, switch number 3, CLI, terminal. So we have VLAN 30, name sales, and VLAN 100, name voice. That's it. As well, we have to put these two interfaces on access mode. Yeah. So interface range fa0/2.3. If we go on these interfaces, it's interface fa02 and fa03. Yeah, on all switches. Yeah. So switch port mod access, switch port access VLAN 30, switch port voice VLAN 100. Sit, do right. Let's go to the next one. CLI, English, config terminal, VLAN 40, name, management, VLAN 100, name, name, voice. Exit, and now interface range fa0/2 to 3, switch port mod trunk, no, switch port mod access, so say no, switch port mod trunk. We have to say switch port mod choice, switch port access vlan 40 and switch port voice vlan 100 and exit the event. Let's check if they switch back to, let's see this one, some trunk. Yeah, so 2 and 3 is from access mode. Okay. So we're done with the switches. All we have to do now is to configure the router. So going in the router, CLI, no, and terminal. And at first in the router we have to put this interface on no shutdown. Yeah? This one is coming out from the router. This interface is interface FA00. Yeah, so interface FA0/0 no shutdown / exit. Yeah, so now this turn green. Now for all of the VLANs we have to create sub interfaces for IP address and all this. So to do that we have to say interface fa0/0.10 for VLAN 10. Yeah, enter and solution .1 to 10 IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. This is the subnet mask. Yeah, I'm trying to build for all of them. So interface fa0/0.20 for VLAN 20 encapsulation .1 q 20 IP address 192.168.2.1 255.255.255.0 exit interface fa0/0.30 encapsulation .1 q 30 IP address 92.168.3.1 255.255.255.0 exit interface fa0/0.40 yeah, encapsulation .1 q 40 IP add 192.168.4.1 255.255.255.0 exit. And the last one is for voice interface fa0/0.100 encapsulation 1 to 100 IP add 172.16.1.1 do 555.255.255.0 exit do right. Next, what we have to do is to create the DACP pool for each VLAN. Yeah, so we have like this IP DACP pool servers. Yeah, network 192.168.1.0 255.255.255.0 default router 192.168.1.1. So this default router is the default gateway. Yeah, so what this is IP address is going to be used just for interfaces, so any other device cannot use this IP address, just the interfaces. Yeah, it's a DNS server 192.168.1. we're going to put these three because we have .1 for interfaces, .2 for the HTTP server, .3 for DNS, and .4 for mail. Let's rename this now. Yeah, so it's HTTP web DNS and mail. It's more easier to do it. Yeah, so let's carry on. DNS server. Okay, so DNS server 192.168.1.3 and yeah, we have to exclude this address from gateway, the default router. We have to exclude this one from all DACP. So how IP DACP excluded address 192.168.1.1. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this because we're gonna need later. Yeah, so we exclude the address. Now let's start to build the next DACP pool. Yeah, so IP DACP pool production network 192.168.2.0 255.255.255.0 default router 192.168.2.1 DNS server 192.168.1.3 IP DACP. We can put this one. Excluded address to be 2.1. Okay, next one IP DACP pool sales. Yeah, so doing for this one network 92.168.3.0 255.255.255.0. The 4 router is 192.168.3.1. DNS server 192.168.1.3, and we say IP DHCP excluded address 3.1. IP DHCP all management network 168.4.0 255.255.255.0. The 4 router 192.168.4.1. DNS server 192.168.1.3, and as well IP DHCP excluded address to be 4.1. Now we have to build for voice, yeah. So we have IP DHCP all voice, yeah, and network 172.16.1.0 255.255.255.0. The 4 router 172.16.1.1. DNS server 192.168.1.3, and here we have to add option 150 for voice, 150 with IP 172.16.1.1, yeah. And as well we have to exclude the address 172.16.1.1, and that's it. We're done configure the DHCP pool, and this will come back later to configure the telephone server. At the moment just do right, yeah. Let's see if we get any IP, yeah. So for the phones we already get IP. Yeah. Now let's put the end devices. We go and click on end device, desktop, IP config, and we move on DHCP. Like that it will take, you see, automatic dynamic IP. Yeah. So DHCP request successful is 2.2. Next one should be 2.3. And how you can see here we have subnet mask, default gateway, yeah, and DNS server. So we have to move all of them on DHCP. DHCP. And this one as well. DHCP. Okay, now let's configure the server. So HTTP, bring desktop, IP configuration. Here for all server, we leave the IP on static, yeah? So we just add manually 192.168.1.2. We get automatic subnet mask. For the default gateway we have 1.1. For DNS server we have 1.3. Yeah? Now we go on service HTTP and we can edit this to see when we access the web from one of the PC to show us what we write here. For example, I'm going to write computer with user. Yeah. And here as well, I'm going to copy this. Yeah. To change the color from, I'm going to change just this one from the top to be red and save. Yes. Make sure HTTP it's on. Now let's go on DNS server, desktop, IP config. So I put .192.168.1.3. Copy default gateway. DNS server is the same like this one. We go on service, DNS, make sure this is on, and we're going to create a record for the web. Yeah? So name it to be web, and address for the web, it's the IP address for HTTP server. So it's 192.168.1.2. Yeah. After we say add and save. Yeah, so with DNS done, make sure the service is on. Yeah? And if we go now on, let's go back here because I think I didn't edit very well. Save. Yes. So now if we go on one of the PC and web browser, and if you write web, the name which one create in DNS server, yeah, and go, yeah, press 2-3 times because probably it's not going to take it from first time. How I say on the top, the right it's with red, I change from green to red. And here, so you can edit all text from there and you can put whatever you want to show it here. So the web server, the HTTP server is working, yeah, we can access. We can simulate, we can send a envelope from here to one of the server. No, mail doesn't work because we didn't set up yet. So you see it's working. I'm putting more real time, it's more easy. I don't want to wait for this envelope to do work per cycle. Okay, let's do the mail server as well. Desktop, IP config, IP is 124. Command. Service, email, make sure POP 3 service on and SMTP service on. Domain name, but this I'm going to come back later to set up the mail. Yeah? Now let's go to the telephone service on the router. So we go on router, we write telephone service, and we start to write max directory number. We have 6 phones, so we put 6 max e phones 6. Okay, so I did this because it's 6. Mistake I press. So max directory number 6. My mistake I put 5. Yeah. Now IP source address. Source address is 172.1.6.1.1 port 2000. Yeah, and then we have to assign automatic. So I will go assign 1.6. Exit, and we start with first one. Yeah, E1 directory number 1. You can see change state to up number. Number, I say 1 or 1. So please filter green. Okay, we have to see why it doesn't E4 directory number 2 number 1001. I'm just checking something. No, number 1001. I'm going to be 201. Sit. E4 directory number 3. Number 301. Sit. E4 directory number 4. Directory number 4. Number 401. Exit. E4 directory number 5. Number 501. Exit. E4 directory number 6. Number 601. Yes, so we have to have a look why doesn't the number register it, because we didn't get any number now. Let's see. Going to shut. Close the router. loading. So, cavalo con DACP. If you can see, we didn't get the VoiP. So, Yes, something is off. Still on. Fast forward this to another one, it will be faster. Alright, so I had just to reset the interface. Sometimes probably it's from the program from Cisco. That's also how you can see now we get line number 201, 601, 301, 501, 401 and 101. So let's try to call from 201 to on another VLAN, the same 401. So we go on phone guy, and if you see here it's 201, we try to call 401, yeah, ring out. Okay, you can see that it's ringing now. So this one is 401. Click on guy. If you can see, the phone is ringing, yeah, and here is saying it's from 201, yeah. You click on the phone and now they are connected together. Okay guys, so now I'm going just to configure the mail address. I'm going to do it just for PC1 and PC5, but you have to configure all of them, yeah. So let's start from PC1, desktop, email, and the name you can put PC1 or whatever name you want to put. PC1, email address, desktop. Okay, you stop here. Let's configure the mail server first because it will be more easier to understand. So you go mail server, service, email, and here we see the domain name, let's say gmail.com, and set, and user. So PC1, I'm going to use this one, PC1, and the password 123, and we press this plus from here, add. So we add one of this, and after it will be PC, PC4 or PC5, yeah. So PC5, the same. Press this plus and add. You have to add all of them and put them on the mail server, but I'm doing just to do it faster. And after you have to go on DNS server, services, DNS, and to create a domain name. So name is Gmail, or you can say just mail, and that's it, mail. And the address from mail server, it's 192.168.1.4, yeah. And we press add, okay, and save, yeah. Make sure the save is on. And now let's go on PC1 to configure the mail. So PC1 desktop, email, the name is PC1, mail address is PC1 at gmail.com. Incoming mail server, it would be 192.168.1.4, yeah. So the IP address for mail server. Let's copy this, but going the same. And username, which one we just create, because like PC1, and the password 123, and you click save, press receive, and check if here say email successful. Yeah, so it's working. And PC5, desktop, email, domain, let's say PC5, 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 PC5 at gmail.com. IP address from the mail server, and the password 1, 2, 3 I set up. You can put any password you want there in the mail server. Save, try receive. Receive mail successful. Let's compose one mail and we'll send from this PC to this PC. So compose to PC1 at gmail.com. Subject and enter. Copy, paste, and send. Okay, so I have to check if this it's okay in the DNS server. DNS server. Oh, I'm sorry, mail server. The service email of gmail.com. So what's the problem? It's not gmail.com. Okay, let's go on this. Let's change the name, but should or. Okay, let's put Gmail. Save. So now let's change. Save. Let's try more time. PC5. The name is not correct. Ah, yeah, because I write wrong. So you see, you have to write correctly, otherwise it doesn't work. Gmail.com. Yeah. Now I should work without any problem. Gmail.com. So if you can see, we send this one successful. You can go on PC1. So pay a lot of attention when you write. You have PC1 email and click receive, and you can see the mail which one you just received from PC5. Pay a lot of attention how you write everything, because if you write them wrong, it's not going to work. Yeah. So this is all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and comment below.